Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your daily energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Cancers, if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Ace of Cups, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Knight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So today, maybe for some of you, you are someone who does things in the right way. You are really dedicated, responsible, and you want to go for the right choices or make the right decisions for yourself in your work or in your relationship. You are someone responsible and dedicated, but something you did unintentionally, it has uh, gone wrong and it is some mistake on your part. So that is causing a lot of anxiety for you. You are embarrassed, you feel embarrassed. It may be in your work, some wrong decisions you made, or it may be in this relationship, something that you did that is causing a lot of difficulties for you guys. And Cancers, I also see that in this relationship with this person, you have a level of understanding with them. You both know each other for some time now. You have a level of understanding, but there are certain things that is making you frustrated because this person you love, maybe they know you for a long time now, but still the way they behave or the things they say to you, it is causing a lot of maybe arguments or some stressful situations in your relationship, guys. And Cancers, I also see that in your situation, maybe for some of you, things are changing for the better. You may see a new beginning in this relationship or a new beginning in your work. It may be work related decision, projects, or assignments. Something new is coming your way, something that you love to do, something which you are really passionate about. Or if it is something to do with your relationship, guys, you are maybe planning to have a family or starting a family with this person. You are working towards that, having a child together. So some kind of positive decisions you are making today, guys, or you are seeing some positive new beginning in your life today, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is a card for your relationship first. We have Nine of Pentacles. So it looks like you have that emotional contentment, joy, satisfaction in this relationship with this person, and you are working towards that better understanding. That is what I see, guys, with this card. Maybe there may be some misunderstandings, but you are working towards a better understanding and a better deep bond in this relationship, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Empress. So things are going in a very positive way even in your relationship, guys. There may be some difficulties, but all your difficulties are coming to an end with a new beginning in your work situation, guys. So there may be some projects or new assignments helping you come out of a difficult situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can close your eyes, think about your situation. Maybe you may have some doubts or confusions. You can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, and I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card, the first card for those who chose this card. It is an angel card, guys. It's Archangel Uriel. So with this card, the energy is that whenever we have an angel card, I usually say the angels are there guiding us today. So maybe in your life today, you may have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life, maybe for your work or maybe for your love, for your relationship. So you are confused, you don't know what is your decision or what is your choice. So you are feeling stuck, maybe. So this angel guides you subtly, in a very subtle way, but in a very powerful way. So you will have that clarity and understanding, guys, whatever your situation may be. For some of you, you may see answers through some signs or through some subconscious urges or impulses in your life today. So whenever you need assistance, this angel is to be called upon, guys. And also, guys, this angel encourages you to listen to your inner voice. So in your heart of hearts, you know what is your choice, the clear choice, and you will have an understanding of any situation, guys. So that is what is important to you. So your intuition is guiding you or will be guiding you, and you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, the second card, we will see what it is. It is building blocks. So with this card in our life, in any situation, guys, in our relationship maybe, it just means that we are attracting new relationships in our life. Maybe we are in a new connection and we want to build a strong and a beautiful relationship together with this person for that extraordinary life. In order to do that, we have to focus on the foundation we need to build this relationship on, the values, ethics, morals, and the core beliefs. These are all the most important things that will give us that solid grounding in this relationship and make it work in a very positive way. And you are in the process of making some remarkable changes in your life today, guys. This is the time for that. And maybe for some of you, you are attracting a new relationship towards you, or if you are already in a connection, you are building it more strongly, strengthening it with honesty, humility, clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand one another. and you are moving towards that strong foundation, firm footing for this relationship so that it can withstand any storm that you will be facing together, guys, when you are in a connection. So, long standing relationships are repaired and strengthened even further when you have a beautiful understanding with each other, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. So, you and the other person, you are working towards that stronger, more powerful relationship together than apart. So, that is the energy with this card. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.